Pag-usapan natin yung self sa self-improvement at self-love. Like, ano yung self? Diba? Ang dami nating ina-attach na mga pangalan sa self. Katulad ng self-love, self-discovery, self-help, self... There's so much self. But what does self actually mean? At yun ang pag-uusapan natin dito sa video na to. Ako, si Nilon Reality, at welcome kung first time mong pinapanood to or second time mong pinapanood to. Anyway, naalala mo pa ba nung yung pinaka-earliest moment mo na nagkaroon ka ng consciousness? Like, really, try to remember. Try to remember. Kasi ako, naaalala ko, yung pinaka-earliest consciousness ko, memory ko of the past, ito yung pinaka-earliest. Lumipat kami ng bahay, yung sitwasyon nun parang naglilipat, tapos pababa ako ng hagdan, tapos hinahabol ko yung nanay ko dahil aalis siya, gusto ko kasama ko siya palagi. Like, ganun pa ako ka-baby na gusto ko kasama ko siya palagi at that time. And that was my earliest memory. That was like the first mark of the awareness of being. Yung moment na yun. So sa inyo, ano yung earliest memory nyo ng awareness of being? Or aka, ano yung earliest memory mo? Like, try to think of that first. Because that is the mark of the pangalanan nating awareness of being. That is the mark of it. Now, I want you to recognize this, okay? I want you to recognize this truth. That awareness of being, nag-iba man yung katawan mo, iisa pa rin yun. Tama. Diba? I'm asking this question to my clients who are like over 50s, kung ano yung earliest memory nila. And the reason why I'm asking that to them is because I want them to become aware first of what is the awareness of being. Kahit anong age na nila, kahit 50 years old na sila, nasasabi nila na hindi nagbago yung awareness of being nila nung bata sila. At yung awareness of being nila ngayon, na 50 years old na sila, hindi nagbago. Nagbago lang daw yung katawan, yung vessel, dito sa 3D reality. Pero yung state of consciousness hindi nagbabago. Matanong ko lang sa'yo, nasan yung katawan nung 8-month-old na ikaw? Nasan yung katawan na yon? Obviously, hindi naman yan yung katawan mo. So if you can see, no, the 3D reality is constantly changing. But what will not change is the awareness of being. That will never change. That is everlasting. In the teachings of Neville, this is Neville, that is God. Okay? And there's no God outside of you. Right? Because it's the awareness of being. And this is what Neville means kapag sinasabi niyang consciousness is the only reality. Okay? Ang sinasabi ko sa mga students ko para mas ma-grasp nila yung idea is walang nangyayari kung walang nag-oobserba. So, yung sa self-improvement, sa self-love, if we really talk about the depth kung ano yung self, the self does not need improvement. The self does not need extra love. The self is love itself. Do you understand? So, maiba ako. This is Neville Goddard. And if you're watching this, I talk about his teachings a lot. I'm trying to write it in a different way or explain it in a different way so that it can land. I'm using Tagalog as well so that it can land. No? If you may not comprehend this first, that's okay. The wisdom will grow in you.